Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Many new traders are asking me how to use the TradingView software or platform. In this video, I will show you in detail how to create your own indicator in TradingView. I have created my own indicator, the pivot points and CPR with previous day low and previous day high marks. As I am a software engineer, I know how to create a custom indicator with coding. I will show you details with coding level how to create this indicator in TradingView. Let us go for the TradingView platform. First we go to the Google search engine. Here we have to type the TradingView. Okay, click here. Click the TradingView. Okay, click, click the TradingView. If you have no account in TradingView, then you have to first open the account by with your Google account or any other account. Okay, in this the TradingView is a free charting software for basic version. Okay, see here, for basic version it is free. For Pro Plus or Premium, it is chargeable. In Pro Plus or Premium, some more advanced features are there, but don't worry, we will go with for basic. And why, with our coding we can use more and more features in this. Okay, see here. Okay, we can use the more and more feature with basic by coding. Okay, then go for the chart. Okay, in chart I have already coded for this. First we have to remove this. Okay, remove this. I have already coded for this. This is for this CPR, all the thing. CPR, pivots, previous day low, high, weekly low, high. Okay. Then the question is where to code. Okay. Then this will come automatically. Okay. You have to go the bottom here. This bottom, this is the arrow mark will coming for both side. Then you have to press the mouse button and off this slightly. Okay. We have to code in this only. Okay. I have already coded this. I have already noted on my notepad and I have pasted here. See, for CPR I have coding this much. Okay, so I have to name this only for CPR pivot. Okay, the title is CPR pivot. Okay, and I have to wait. Okay, the I provide the code for CPR. This for top CPR. This for bottom CPR. Okay, okay. Then you have to save this. Save this. Okay, save. Then add to chart. Okay, now it's see, it is automatically come. Previously it was not there. See, it is automatically come. This is for this Nifty chart. Okay, Nifty 5-minute chart. It is automatically come the CPR by the coding. Okay, for all the day. Okay, you can back test with CPR. Okay, now we have to come the we have to we have to come for the pivots. How to, for pivots we have to go for coding. Okay, pivots, the coding is here for pivots. Okay, we have to take this pivots. See, we put this code for pivots. Then we have to save this. Okay, save here, save. See, automatically come. Okay. See, this is the CPR. This is central pivot. This is top CPR. This is bottom CPR. This is S1, S2, S3 support. This is R1, R2, R3 resistances. Okay. This is come for all. Okay. You can use for this. This is Nifty. You can show for this Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. You can also any stock in stock. This for Reliance. Check. For Aurobindo Pharma, you check. For all, it will come. Okay, check. For Maruti, you see here. Okay, and anyone for Glenmark, ICICI Bank. Okay, it will come for anyone. Okay, you can adjust here. Okay, as according to your visibility. Okay, let's go for the Nifty only. I only trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty because volatility. Okay, volatility and the liquidity. Okay. Okay, now we have to come the previous day low and high mark. Now there is no previous day low high mark here. Okay, okay, by the coding how it come. Okay, we have to put the code here the below. Okay, this is the coding. This much coding is for previous day low and high. Okay, save. So see here how it is come. See this one this mark is the previous day high, this mark is the previous day low. The previous day high is shown in the chart. The previous day high is here the mark. Okay, the previous day low is here. See here the mark is previous day low. Okay, it is come for all. Okay, it will come for all the indexes and stock. It will come for all the indexes. See for if this is Nifty, you can check change to Bank Nifty. Okay, it will come. You have to change for Reliance. For all, it will come. Okay, it will work for all. No issue. This is the this is the user friendly usability of TradingView. I am fan of TradingView for this only. Okay, I have used many strategy for this combination of CPR, previous day low high for the price action. Okay, there is also come weekly low high. If you want to see, I have to show you the weekly low high also. See, this is weekly low high. Okay, you can add any indicator in this. Okay, okay, weekly low high. I have to save this. Okay, see, see this red mark. This red mark is previous week low or high. You have to check. Okay, this is this previous week high. This is previous week low. This red mark. You can check. Okay, see, see. This is previous week. This is another previous week low, and this is the this is I think this is the high. This is low. This is high. Okay, this is automatically plot for all the indexes and stocks. Okay, if you know more about this for the many strategies I have used, more than 10 to 15 strategy I have used in this, and I have also used ADX indicator for a better profitability. Okay, for this if you want any uh, training. If you want to know more about this end-to-end process, end-to-end the how it is work, I am conducting the webinar in weekends. You can contact me on my number or WhatsApp number, my mail ID. Okay, I will give you the training on this. For details, go for the my contacts. Okay, thank you for this, guys. Thank you. Bye. Another thing, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Also, please press the bell icon for more videos, for new videos. Okay, thank you. Bye.